Okay, hi there. So you want to use a pair strategy. So the pair strategy, if I'm not wrong, is using two securities, right? You use different securities. So if you want to track that, again, you cannot merge these two together. Normally we have this merge here, just so you know, in case, say this, you can merge this one into the same symbol, these executions into the same symbol, but you cannot merge two trays of different symbols together, right? Because that's not something that we support. So what I suggest that you do, so let's suppose that these two were the ones that you traded under this strategy. So you click on this one, and then you're gonna click here. You're gonna enter here. Let's say a pair, this because it's pair strategy, or I don't know, setup. Yeah, you just call it pair, and then add a code, whatever, 123. Okay. So now I go back. So go back to my other here. So I put this one here, and then I come to this one, and then I use the same pair 123. Okay. That way, when I go to this my setup report, I can see how much money I made on this specific setup, on the pair setup, but for this specific trade. Okay. So you will have to create a code, whatever it's like 123, 344, whatever it is, for every trade that you take under that strategy. And yeah, or you could simply just tag it as pair, and then when you go back into the setup report, you can see how you're doing with that specific strategy overall. But then you cannot, let's say you won't know how much money you made out of one specific trade. Let's say you consider these two one specific trade. If you consider these two one specific trade and you want to know how much money you make on this specific trade, which corresponds to two different securities, then you come here. You add the pair and then add your code, and then the next thing you want to do is just filter by that specific code, and then it tells me, okay, I'm filtering only by this trade, which corresponds to one in your mind. It's like one setup, right? One strategy. So this is how much money they say you made, like on these two, $4, right? Because why $4? Minus 15 plus a $19 that I made on one, and so that's $4. So that's how you know, right? That's one way to do it. You could also just do both things, right? You could say, okay, this was a pair strategy, so you tag them with the pair strategy, and you also tag them with the specific code for that pair. So you can filter that, and then you can quickly look how much money did I make from that. Actually, there you go. So I tag it with pair, and I tag it with a pair 123. Okay, so this will allow me to, or allow you to, filter by that specific trade, say that specific code, and then yeah, you can quickly look. So this is what I will do. I'll tag them like that, and then I click on it, and then the system will apply, and then you will know, okay, this is how much money I made on that specific trade. Okay. Now, if I want to know how much money I'm making using the pair strategy, because I also tag the trade with this, I can click on setups here, and I can see, okay, from the pair strategy I made $4, and from the pair 123 I made $4 too, because I only have tagged one trade. So this is how I will use it.